Oh yes, what was we doing? Get a pencil and see, I'll just give you an idea what we can be doing. We'll just do this sliver of land coming out here and a few rushes here. Oh, we won't have that too far. We'll have a nice bit of water up to there, so that we've plenty of water. And we'll have just a couple of trees here and here, and that. And a nice little hill at the back there like that. Now that's a little painting for you. So that we'll take it a bit higher, so that we can have more water, and we can have a bit at that. We can put a tree and have a reflection. Same with that bit of reflection. That'll be easier for us. So we'll do it that way. Now, the greenery is very easy. Have you got any gambush? Now gambush, I know it's a bit dirty. Forgive me, palette. Now it looks dark gambush, don't it? But when you actually touch it, it's like a yellowy colour. So that's gambush. Say we put a little bit of ultramarine in it. Oh, that's a nice green colour, isn't it? Right, but we don't want it so green, so we'll just knock it off a little bit. Wait a minute, not too much. It's problems with this. A little touch of brown. So we have like we'll have to have it on a greeny cast. So plenty of gamboge and a bit of ultramarine in it to give it. It's like a dull green, this. So just here, say we'll just put the land here coming out. Now, to do a fine, use this fine, you'll have to come lower down on the stock and come down lower and do this. And you can see, you can get some really fine work, but holding it like that. So here we go again. There we are, like that, and then we'll just add a bit more gamboge to it. Or, what about Casiella? Yeah? Just that little bit different over here at background. So we'll be bringing it over here, that's our land over there. Okay, so you've got your water here. You've got your two bits of land coming out there, and there's plenty of water now over there. Like that. So now you've got plenty of room here if you want. We put a bit of, let's get a little bit of umber, and we'll just put it on this edge. Just put it on that edge like that. Same on that one. Got that. Now we'll not talk about paper for an hour like some do. We'll get down to nitty gritty painting. You don't need all them fancy brushes what they show with. When you look on YouTube for learning how to do a bit of painting, they spend an hour showing you what brushes you use, don't they? And I said, well, come on, time's going, look at the time. You're not told me nothing yet. Bit of clean water now. Not too much, not too much, just a dab of it. We'll use a little bit of ultramarine. But it stays on my palette, you won't believe it. But it's ultramarine. Where did I put that now? Oh, you want some, yeah, not going down. Ultramarine. Oh, it's imperative we have some white cloud, I think. But we'll use a little bit of orange in it. A bit more blue. This time a little bit of cobalt blue, for a change. Doesn't look much difference, I know, but let's put a little bit more lemon yellow with that little bit of orange, eh? That's it there. Well, you can't hardly see that, can you? It doesn't matter about that. There we are. A little bit of light red, maybe, and a bit of cobalt or something, or a bit of ultramarine. I don't think we'd dare touch it now again. See if we can. Leave it like that. Okay, so we've got that yellow patch in the water, haven't we? So it's like a lemon yellow with a little bit of orange, isn't it? It would say you can get it on with a bit of a reddish colour again, yeah, a bit to touch of orange in it. And then our ultramarine. Oh, not too strong now, Alan, not too strong. And just do that. Oh yeah. Stop that and give it a... Now I've just dried it off and I've just put this bit of ultramarine and red across. It's just ultramarine and just red. Just put a bit of umber with it as well, let's see. Right, now we'll just do a splash of land. That's it. Right, then we'll dry that off again now. Well, we'll just put a couple of trees in here. We're going to put a couple of trees in, we said, but did we say we'll put them right here? Okay, for there, just get a smaller brush now. Now this reflections in the water, let's see, they'll have to be either a bit lighter or a bit darker. So I thought we'll just put these in here first. And that's not dark enough at all. So this is it. Put a bit of water on there. This there. There you are, YouTubers. Thanks for looking in. Maybe you might support me sometime. My Patreon. Cup of coffee. Cup of coffee a month. Well, just a bit more, I suppose. Thanks for looking in anyway. Take care. Happy painting. Enjoy it. Bye bye. Take care everyone. Have a nice day.